The Tale of Jemima Puddle-Duck. Jemima Puddle-Duck lived on a farm. She wanted to make a nest and hatch her eggs, but the farmer's wife took her eggs away. Jemima Puddle-Duck tried to hide her eggs on the farm, but the farmer's wife took her eggs away again. One day, Jemima left the farm to lay some eggs where she knew the farmer's wife could not find them. Jemima Puddle-Duck went to a wood. The wood looked like a good place to make her nest and lay some eggs. In the wood, Jemima looked for a safe place to lay her eggs. But there was a gentleman in the wood. "Where are you going?" said the gentleman. "I'm looking for a good, safe place to hatch my eggs," said Jemima. "The farm is not safe." "I can help you," said the gentleman. "My shed is a safe place to make a nest. You can hide in there." Jemima liked the shed. She made a nest and laid her eggs. One day, the gentleman said to Jemima, "Would you like to have dinner with me? Go back to the farm to get some herbs, and then we can have dinner." Jemima saw a dog on the farm. "I'm going to have dinner with a gentleman," she said. But the dog knew that the gentleman was a fox. He went to get some other dogs to help. Jemima went back to the shed. The gentleman said, "Come to my house when you have seen to the eggs, and we will have dinner." When Jemima was safe in the shed with her eggs, the dogs ran to the gentleman fox's house. The fox saw the dogs coming and ran away. He did not come back. The dogs took Jemima Puddle-Duck back to the farm. She made a safe nest and laid her eggs. These eggs did hatch.